Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another quarantine makeup look. Let's get started. So I'm first starting off with some primer. I'm going to be using the Cover FX Dewy Skin Primer and mixing a couple drops of the iconic London Illuminator in Shine. Just mixing those together and putting it all over my face. So I'm taking a couple more drops of that illuminator and putting it on my high points of my face, so my cheekbones, my nose, my chin. I'm going for a really dewy look today, so you'll see me layering on a bunch of different cream products and stuff. It's probably a little unnecessary, but I was bored.
About to go down. So what you doing tonight?
Okay, and today I'm just using tinted moisturizer. So I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer in Light 6W. My skin's been doing really well lately. I think just because I've been letting it kind of breathe, not wearing any makeup during quarantine, just like not even touching it really. And it has become super clear in the last couple weeks, which is awesome. Then adding a little bit of concealer, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Light Neutral, and I'm just going underneath my eyes and on my T-zone and then any blemishes that I have on my face.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts.
Okay, and then we're going to be doing a little bit of cream contouring today. So I'm taking the CYO contour stick in Sweep into Shape, and I'm just going along the outer edges of my face, kind of warming up my skin a little bit. Then adding a little bit of cream blush, I'm using the Colourpop Blush Sticks in Mini Me and just adding that to the apples of my cheeks.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do.
And I definitely probably didn't need to put this on, but this is the Colourpop Light Stix in Star Bright, and I just put a little bit of this on my cheekbones and my nose and my upper lip. Then I'm going to set my face a little bit. I'm taking the Pixi by Petra Quick Fix powder in Translucid, and I'm just baking underneath my eyes, a little bit around my nose and my mouth, and then taking a big fluffy brush and lightly setting the rest of my face. Not too much though, because I still want that dewiness to shine through. And then taking the TheBalm Frat Boy blush, I felt like I needed a little more blush on the apples of my cheeks, so I just lightly dusted this over my face really quick. And I'm just going to add a little bit of faux freckles, so I'm taking the TheBalm Furrowcious brow pencil in light brown and just kind of adding to the freckles that I already have. I've been spending a little bit of time outside, well, a lot of time outside with being quarantined, so my freckles have definitely come out a little bit to shine. Then we're going to add a little more highlight, because why not? This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Flexitarian. I totally forgot about this highlighter. This is probably one of my favorite highlighters ever. It's so pretty, and I found it in the back of my drawer when I was decluttering everything, so that was fun. Now going in with some eyeshadow, I'm taking the Natasha Denona Love Palette. We're going to start with this light pale pink and just put that all over our lids. I'm going for kind of a pinky purple spring look today. And then we're going to take this lighter pink called Valentine. We're going to use that as the transition color. Then taking the color Trust, we're going to focus this on the crease area. Then taking these two shades right here, I'm going to place that purple shade on the outer half of my lid and the pink shade on the inner half. Then taking that color Trust, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line just with like a thin eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to be blending that out with the light pink that we used in our crease area. Then with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Charmed, I'm just going to waterline my eyes. Then I'm going to add some mascara after that using the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do, but now when I'm with you.
Okay, and then I'm going to add some falsies really quick. These are the Colourpop Lashes in Queenie. And then I'm going to add a little bit of that Colourpop highlighter to the inner corner and my brow bone. Then finishing off with some lips, I'm taking the Nabla Cosmetics Velvetline Lip Liner in Closer and just lightly going over my lips.
Sun is about to go down, so what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do, but now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do.
And then taking the Becca Cosmetics Glow Gloss in Opal and finishing off my lips. Okay everyone, that is it for this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that everyone is doing okay out there. I hope you guys are staying healthy and staying positive, and this will be over soon. I am sure of it. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.